And gentlemen, today I am cooking here in my house. I'm preparing my food. It's a very little, but it's okay. It's okay. So today I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking. Here I'm cooking the beans. This is alubias. Here is onions, the cebolla. Here is garlic. Garlic. It has also oregano, perejil. Here I have garlic, olive oils. This is corn. Asparagus. This is avocado. Here I have more onion, and this is beetroot, remolacha, beetroot. So that's what I'm preparing for today because I'm getting hungry. So thank you for your time. Ciao, ciao, ciao. I'm gonna show you now the gist in just 1 second. Hold a second, please. And this is now what I'm going to eat. This is my dish, a crazy dish, okay? So corn, asparagus, beans with garlic and onion, avocado. I also use olive oil. I love this oil. A lot of garlic, and that's all. That's all I'm going to eat today. Thank you for your time. Ciao, ciao. Thank you for... Yes, ciao, 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 ciao.